Hi, Brad, Silver Lining Daydreams. I thought it'd be fun to bring you along with as I share one of our Trash to Treasure DIYs. The 2 bar stool chairs were actually gifted, and the bench we purchased for $20 on Craigslist. So I'm super excited to share this DIY with you. And actually a little later on, we're gonna surprise our daughter Rachel with the 2 bar stools. And I think you're gonna have a lot of fun. So we're gonna bring you along with as we do that. So stick around and let's get right into this. This is missing a spindle right here. So let's see if we can find something here at this big box store to kind of match that. These are poplar. I'm gonna see if I can whittle it down a little bit. Yeah, let's see if we can match up one of these. And if I can just kind of hack that in there, and then we'll paint those white. 3/4 inch by 48 inches in the round poplar dowels here are $309. So I think we'll buy one. One should be good. If I make a mistake, I still have enough length to try to make that. If I can't make that happen, then I can use a 1/2 inch straight piece. So yeah, I mean, once it's painted white, you probably won't notice it as much. It'll look better than nothing. Originally, our daughter Rachel had asked if we wanted to paint these 2 chairs together at her house, but because she's nursing, I was a little concerned with the fumes. So like most dads, I suggested, well, why don't I just take them over to our house and work on them? Besides needing a good sanding and painting, I needed to repair the underside of one of these 2 chairs, which you'll see me doing a little later on in this video as I upscale this furniture. I wanted to keep this project inexpensive and make it budget friendly, so I was planning on using leftover primer, and also I had an exterior white latex paint I was planning on using, but it became clear as I was painting the spindles that it just wasn't quite working out, so I had 2 choices. I could have bought one of those round paint brushes like Zebra makes, or I could just go out and buy a couple cans of spray paint and spray it.
It's time for the beginning of something new.
That should stay. I've got 3 wood clamps, interior exterior glue, a flat strap, a vice grip. Oh man, that's gotta stay.
It's time for the beginning of something new. Don't ask me how or why. I'm so certain I love you.
I know it's more trendy to distress the paint and stencil some type of a saying on upcycled furniture, but there really is a beauty all its own in the simplicity of keeping these furniture pieces clean and white. By the way, both this bench and the chairs are heavy and sturdy, and I believe they're made out of maple. Up above and to the right at the end of this video, I'll link another video on how Michelle ends up decorating this upcycled bench. Come on down and see your new chairs.
So what do you think?
I can only see the top, but I'm excited. Wow, these look really good. Oh my gosh. They look brand new. That's insane. One of these, so I don't know if you know, Mom, one of these was missing 2 of these, the spokes, I think it's called.
Spindle?
One of the spindles was
Spindle.
missing. Can you tell which one?
Okay. I can't tell.
And did you know the chairs aren't identical? I didn't realize that at first.
No, I didn't.
The stools are actually a little different.
Oh, wait. I was gonna say this one looks different, but actually no. And then I looked at this and it looks the same, so. Yeah, I can't tell, like, which one had the missing things.
It's
Spindles.
this one.
Oh.
You want to sit on it? See if you feel it?
How'd you find one that matches? Or did you just like,
He made it.
you made it out of wood?
Yep.
Well, I didn't have the proper tools to make it official, but I just made us get by.
Nice.
Should we try him on it?
Next to this.
Yeah, it looks great there, Rachel.
Actually, this is like a perfect height too.
Hi, buddy.
The sun's in his eyes.
The top part, I'll hold the bottom part.
I think the sun's in his eyes. Should we turn him? Oh, look at that, it swivels.
Hey. What do you think, huh?
Well, we've got a really good meal plan. We're gonna eat healthy. We got McDonald's. So let's have at her, huh? All right, thanks for watching our Trash to Treasure recycled furniture video. And remember to give us a like and share our video so others can find us, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll have a link up here in the top right hand corner where Michelle uses this upcycled bench to decorate our front porch. And as always, thanks for watching.